I am Anil Kumar. Welcome to our YouTube channel and the website Global Math Institute. Let us further explore how do we find equation from the given graph. So we have taken a few questions based on rational functions. All are of the form g of x equals to c over x minus a divided by x minus b. The graph will be kind of like shown on the right hand side. We need to write down the equation finding the value of A, B, and C. Interesting. The playlist, which you can explore, has many examples to master the skills. We have largest number of videos on any channel. So watch these videos and master the skills, get admission to the best universities. In case you want tips, you can have some classes. Send an email on globalmathinstitute@gmail.com. It helps. So let us now first understand how do we write equation from the given graph. The question here is write the equation representing the given graph in the form g of x equals to c over x minus a times x minus b. Verify the equation by using point P. It's a very important concept, right? You should identify a point on the curve which can verify that your equation is perfect. Great. So let's first consider how we can get the equation from a graph. The orange line indicate the vertical asymptotes, right? So what is the vertical asymptote? For any reciprocal kind of a function, the denominator 0 leads to vertical asymptote. So x equals to a will be one vertical asymptote and x equals to b will be the other vertical asymptote. So the value of a and b you can find from these two vertical asymptotes. So it becomes very clear how do we get the denominator. You get the idea, right? Now the concept of getting c. Check with a point. Now, if you have y-intercept like shown here, it is very easy. Since this point is x0 and y value, then you can find the value of c. Makes sense, right? So this is the concept which we are going to use and get equation of graphs. Very easy. You can do it in few minutes. I think less than a minute. So let's look into our first graph where identify the vertical asymptotes. So first one is what? X equals to what? So it is minus 2. The other one is x equals to 3. So we got two x vertical asymptotes. So we have a equals to minus 2 and b equals to plus 3, right? So if I replace a and b, I get the function g of x equals to c over x minus of minus 2 makes it plus, right? So this factor will be x plus 2. And here we have x minus 3. Makes sense. No difficulty at all, right? Now to find the value of c, identify the point P, which in this case is how much? It is 0 minus 2, right? 0 minus 2. So 0 is the x value, minus 2 is g of x. So we get minus 2 equals to c over 0 plus 2, correct? Means 2, right? 0 minus 3 means minus 3. So c over minus 6. And therefore, we get minus 2 times minus 6 as the value of c, which is 12 for us. Correct? We got our answer. So simple, right? We can write g of x as equal to 12 over x plus 2 times x minus 3. Nothing can be simpler than this, right? So that is how we find the equation. Now, explore the next graph. Write down your answer and then check the result with that of mine. So, as I said, first find what are these vertical asymptotes, correct? So, you can write this as x equals to what? X equals to what? Those are a and b values also, right? So, the first one here is minus 3. The second one is uh, on the right hand side, 2. So we know that a is minus 3 and b is 2, right? So we have the function g of x this time as c over x plus 3 times x minus 2. Now look for the point. Point P is the y-intercept given to us as 0, 2. So write down point P as 0, 2. Substitute in the function to find the value of C. So we have 2 equals to C over 0 there will give you 3 times minus 2. Perfect. So which is C over minus 6. Multiplying, you get minus 12 equals to C, and therefore we can write down the function g of x this time is minus 12 over x plus 3 times x minus 2. Perfect. As simple as that. That is how you get the equation of this reciprocal quadratic function in the form given to us. Watch our playlist. You'll have many examples where we are going to deal with equations of different forms. I hope the concept is going to help you. Feel free to write your comment, share your views. If you like and subscribe to my videos, that'd be great. Thanks for your valuable time and all the best.